Alright everybody, today I'm coming to pick up this beauty here, the Toyota Tacoma 2010. Pretty sure that this is the one. Can't really see. But this vehicle is due for auction for whatever reason. And I mean, as you can see, it's pretty well used. It apparently has an alternator issue. We're going to slide in here and see what it does for us. No start, so the battery's kind of dead. But cracked windshield, obvious wear and tear. Somebody loved their animal in this thing, and I would not be surprised if I end up sneezing the rest of the day. But yeah, this is 2010 Toyota Tacoma, well loved, well used, and pretty much well taken care of. But we are going to put some power to this thing, get it started up, and see what we can see here. And as we get under the hood, see what we got going on. There it is. All right, the VVT V6, and a battery that is well and truly corroded. It says Toyota, genuine Toyota battery, but yeah, the V6 engine. This thing's a workhorse. It's a powerhouse. It's a great truck. The truck, for the most part, is in quite decent condition. A few scratches and scrapes. Nice little vinyl backing here. Tow hitch. Looks like somebody's been to Watauga State Park. And 4-door with the cab. So we are going to get this thing out of here and get it to auction. How about that? First things first, we got to get the bed down and go from there. And these gloomy days in Cincinnati, after it was so nice this past weekend. But oh well. Take our jump pack, secure it. We're gonna go red to red, black to black. Should see a little spark. Oh, we hear everything come to life. And then I'm going to put this hood down so that I can see where I'm driving. And that'll be that, just like that. And so there you have it, 2010 Toyota Tacoma, ready to go off to auction. This thing, I mean, what happened was the owner probably, because it has 363,000 plus miles on it, the owner just decided it was time to get into something else. I mean, these tires are brand spanking new. New tires, great body, not really any rust underneath. This thing is going to go quickly at auction, I bet, and for a great price as well. Even that spare, never been used. And towing package, V6, VVT engine. When I started it up, it sounded amazing, sounded great. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Just want to give you a little glimpse of what we do when we're not doing emergencies and stuff. Sometimes it's just normal, everyday things here with the big pink tow truck. So like, share, subscribe, do what you want to do. I appreciate you watching, and I will see you next time.